Hello all the aspirants out there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with a new video which is about the Mindtree round 2 result update, and also we shall look into some of the previous interview questions and interview experience. Before that, I know that most of you guys have given the round 2 of Mindtree on February 9th, and you might be waiting eagerly for the result. So let's discuss something about those updates in this video. Without any delay, let's start our video. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel. So most of you guys have given the round 2 aptitude test on February 9th, but actually this test was conducted to only those who are eligible, like after clearing the round 1 English test. So it was not held for everybody. Only few selected candidates wrote this test on February 9th. And the second update is that even Mindtree has started sending rejection mails of round 2, like aptitude test rejection mails were sent to some people. So if you are yet to receive the update, all you need to do is just focus on your preparation meanwhile. Instead of waiting for the result very desperately, just any moment you may receive the mails. So guys, only you focus on the preparation of for the next round. And the next big question mark is that what will be the next round. So nobody knows actually what the next round will be. So Mindtree has to send some update. Only then we will be knowing what will be next. But guys, there are only two possibilities left over with us. Like the first possibility will be having the coding round and then the interview. Like coding round first, then the interview. So and the second possibility will be direct interview. So direct interview. These are the only two possibilities, guys. So you should be mentally prepared for any of these two possibilities. Like already people had cleared the English test, and for those who cleared the English test, aptitude test was conducted, and now Mindtree has started sending rejection mails for the aptitude test, and the next third round will be either of these two possibilities. That's it. I want to convey you guys. So all the candidates who cleared the round two will soon get an update at any moment. Just get ready for that. So moving on, that's it about the update of Mindtree exams and results, guys. I have assured you that we'll be discussing one interview experience. So now let's start it. So the very first question was self-introduction. Always self-introduction will be asked to test your either the confidence or communication skill. So the interview will be expecting, I mean, to test one of these two. And if you are stuck in introducing yourself, definitely it will create some bad impression on you. So you must be very perfect in telling introducing yourself. For that you need to prioritize what to include in your introduction before the interview. So just work on it, guys. And then he was asked what are logical operators. So you'll be having three logical operators like logical and, logical or, logical not. So logical and returns true only when the two statements are true, and logical or returns true only either one of the statements is true, and the logical not stands for negation. So negation, the symbol will be this one. And moving on to the third question, what are pointers and explain. So basically pointer is a variable. It stores the memory address of another variable, like there is an integer a and there is a integer pointer p. Now integer a contain, like the memory of this integer is 1001, and the pointer will be storing the address of integer a. It points towards the variable a. And there is a concept of dangling pointers, like there will be another pointer p2 which stores the memory address of, like memory address will be 1005, which stores the memory address of a pointer. So this concept is called dangling pointers. So pointer storing the memory of another pointer is called a dangle pointer. And moving on to the next, he was asked what is a class and what is an object. So basically these two terms come into picture when discussing about object-oriented programming language. So class basically is a blueprint of a user-defined data type, whereas object is the instance of a class. And then the method overriding this concept comes into picture. Like for example, there are two methods, like method A and method B, or class A, class B. Sorry, class is consider that it is a parent class and this is a child class. So there are two methods, like some method one. The method one is present in both the classes. Now, which of these two methods has to be executed? So due to method overriding concept, always the method within the child class will be executed over the parent class method. And then he was asked what is method overloading concept. So this concept is a form of polymorphism, one of the form. Uh, Polymorphism stands for many forms. So as the name suggests, like suppose that there is a function a and there is a function, same function, but with different parameters. So whenever there is a difference in the number of parameters or type of parameters, the implementation will be differ. This concept is called method overloading. So moving on to the next question, he was asked write a code for a prime number. What is a prime number? Any number which is having two factors, not more than two factors. Those two factors will be one and itself. So using this logic, you need to write a code for a prime number. And how do you open a file? So this is an important concept. Mindtree. Most of the interviews, the files concepts are asked. How do you open a file? How do you close a file? How do you like edit a file? So these kind of questions are frequently asked. So better you can look at this concept. And also finally, any questions. So it's a decent way of answering this question is, I mean, if you have any question, you can directly ask them like, so what are the technology we will be working after getting selected? And if you are having no questions directly, you can politely reply, no questions from my side, sir. Even it is a decent way of replying for that. And finally, all the best, guys. All the best for each of you who are watching this video. And the only one thing I'd like to share is no matter what, just keep preparing. Keep preparing no matter what. If you are not even selected for Mindtree, you'll be definitely selected for some other company. Just don't give up.